I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Forms and creating a new blank form. Give it a clear title and short description so voters know purpose and rules. Once done, add your first question and choose multiple choice or drop-down for single choice votes or checkboxes for multiple selections. Make the question required when you need an answer from every respondent. If you must limit to known voters, enable restrict to users in your organization and collect email addresses so responses link to identities. Now refine the form. Break content into sections so instructions, candidates, and confirmation steps stay clear. This improves completion rates. For numeric votes or limited choices, add response validation to enforce formats or limits and supply helpful error text. To reduce bias, shuffle option order at the question level or randomize sections when appropriate. Make sure to preview the flow and test with a colleague so you catch confusing phrasing or unintended skipping between sections. When ready, configure responses. Toggle accepting responses, limit to one response per account if needed, and decide whether respondents can edit after submit. Share the form using a shortened link, email invitation, or embed it in a site. Make sure access permissions match voter list so only intended people can participate. After voting closes, export to Google Sheets for tallying and use functions like countif or pivot tables to produce results. If counts look wrong, check duplicate accounts and response limits as a troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.